Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth part of the chapter Metals and Nonmetals. In this video, we would discuss how do metals and nonmetals react. First of all, metals react with metal to form ionic compound. Similarly, nonmetal also react with nonmetal to form covalent compound. Now there is a term called chemical bonding. What it is? It's a force which links or connects the atoms or ions together to form a molecule. Now what do you think can be the cause of chemical bonding? Atom combines with another atom to achieve inert gas electronic arrangement. What does it mean? And every atom on this earth want to become more stable. For this, atom achieve inert gas configuration either by losing or by gaining or by sharing the electrons. What are ions? They are electrically charged atom or group of atoms that are formed by either loss and gain of the electron of an atom. Okay? So it also contains an unequal number of electrons and protons. Now there are two types of ions, cation and anion. An important point to be noted is the atom which will lose electron will become positive and an atom which will gain electron will become negative. Okay, so what a cation is? It's a positively charged ion which contains less electron than the normal atom, and it also contains less electron than proton. For example, there is a sodium atom. If I take out one electron from it, it will become positive. Okay, so that means it is a cation. Now when I talk about an ion, it is a negatively charged ion which contains more electron than the normal atom and also from the proton. For example, chlorine gains an electron to achieve inert gas configuration. That is why it becomes chlorine negative. So you can see the figure also from here. Here comes an important topic, electron dot representation. So here is a term valence electron. So it is the outermost electron of the atom which actually takes place in the chemical bonding. Okay. Now there are two note points, that is, first the atom which will lose electron will become positive and the atom which will accept or gain electron will be negative. Now let us take an example. First of all, let's talk about cation. Sodium is there, its atomic number is 11, its electronic configuration would be 281. So it is easier to lose one electron rather than gaining 7 electrons to achieve inert gas configuration or to become stable. Okay. So it will lose one electron and will become Na positive, and its electron dot representation would be Na dot. Okay. When I talk about anion, there is another example, that's your chlorine. It is having atomic number 17, that is 287. So outermost electron here is your 7, and therefore the electron dot representation would be Cl 7 dots as shown in the figure. So what it would do, it would, rather losing 7 electrons, it will gain 1 electron and will become stable. So if you have any confusion related to it, I have another video for it that would be coming after this video. You will be getting the concept more clear. Okay, so now let's move forward. Here we have types of chemical bonds. There are two types, ionic and covalent. Okay, and they are formed by transfer of electron from one atom to the another. This is the case of ionic bond. In covalent bond, sharing takes place but between the two atoms. Okay. Example of ionic bond could be when metals react with non-metals, and for covalent it's non-metal reacting with non-metal. Okay, examples are also given, but in the next video, that would be part 5, I'll discuss this in detail. Okay, till let's discuss about the differences between ionic and covalent compounds. Ionic compounds are usually crystalline solids. That means they attract strongly towards one another, forming a regular crystal structure. But when I come to the covalent compounds, they are usually liquid or gases. Then there is high melting and boiling point in case of ionic compounds and low melting and boiling point in case of covalent compounds. Ionic compounds conduct electricity whereas covalent compound does not. Ionic compounds are soluble in water whereas they are insoluble in organic solvents. But when I talk about covalent compounds, they are insoluble in water and they are soluble in organic solvent. So this was all about this video. Thank you so much for watching.